And welcome again to another vlog by yours truly. In today's vlog, I'm gonna bring you with me as I prepare for our Christmas dinner. Today's grocery is brought to you by Fairprice, and I'm gonna be using the voucher that I won during the singing competition at Sengkang Hospital. Before I went to buy groceries, my manager, Joyce, hi Joyce, listed down the things that I needed to buy. But I think I bought more because I wanted fruits and I wanted ham.
We're gonna make spaghetti today at night later, so I'm looking for the ingredients. Spaghetti pa-ba-ba, pa-ba-ba, pa-ba-ba. Okay, 1 cup noodles is 2.95. Here are the spaghettis. Okay, where's the spaghetti there? This is spaghetti. Manager asked for spaghetti number 3, but I only have spaghetti number 5 here. Not sure if that will pass her standards, but I will pick it. It's 3.25. Let's wait for her reply. They asked specifically for a small oyster sauce, but they don't have a small oyster sauce here. It's only big oyster sauce. Maybe, I don't know. So I found the spices. Let's go find the small oyster sauce. Small oyster sauce. Now let's buy this one. This one cheaper. Extra flavor. Point. Sprite. Small Sprite. Where is the Sprite? Rice. Rice is rice. Frozen goodies. Oh, yeah, for minced beef. What is minced beef? Does she want? My manager is very particular, you know. So these are the frozen food. Buffalo wings. Should we take buffalo wings? Okay, let's look for this Sprite. And chips. What chips? Should we buy chips? I don't really eat chips, so let's skip that. Sprite. Hello, Sprite. Where are you? Okay. Yay, Sprite. This is for the shrimp. Coke Zero. Buy this one. Condense the milk. Okay, let's buy. Yeah, that's salad. Maybe one. Is there another one? And so I'm on my way home, guys, and yeah, I bought a lot. Later I'll do a small unboxing of grocery haul. I am back, and in today's grocery shopping I bought a total of $104.78, and I used $40 voucher, and my total is $64.78. Okay, so I bought pineapple, fresh pineapple for $2.85, but I got it at $2.55. So let's look at pineapple. Maybe shout out to Fairprice because they give me a lot of plastics for trying to be Mother Earth friendly now, you know. Next, what we have here, grapes. These are red seedless grapes, 500 grams for, so the normal price is $7.95, and in today's grocery shopping we got it for $4.95. So this is a product of the USA. Grapes may contain seed trace. chicken. Not everything is perfect. Grapes. And then of course, we got some apples. Oh, so many plastics. Anyways, this is 700 grams for 2.95. Oh, the normal price actually is 5.90. So yeah, we got it on discount as well. Then one more, we have cheddar cheese for spaghetti. This is for how much? 5.85. So cheese is a bit expensive. On to the next round. This is for the spaghetti. My manager told me that she's gonna make a Pinoy style spaghetti, but I couldn't find a Pinoy style spaghetti sauce. So that's Prego tomato pasta sauce traditional for 5.70. The original price is 6.85. Anyways, next one is this oyster sauce for the shrimp, and this is 2.95. Normal price is 3.70. I'm not sure if it's real or what. Anyways, Sprite for the shrimp. What's the Sprite? This is this one, 1.5. See what we have here. So I bought 2 condensed milk for the fruit salad, like the dessert. So this is 3.40. So it's 1.70 each. Okay, next one is this Nestle cream. This one is a small version. So this is how much? Couldn't see. Nestle cream 170 grams is 2.95 per unit. So that's a total of 11.8. That's expensive. So many plastics, I cannot take it. Then we have pork, fresh pork. So this is 6.05, this packet. And this one is 6.81. So 2 packets. And then I got shrimp. So shrimp is 21.9 SGD per kilogram. So this particular packet is $7. Expensive. Anyways, this one is 6.32 and this is 6.70. So 3 packets for the shrimp. Okay, next I also got honey baked ham, and yes, because it's Christmas, we couldn't miss. We shouldn't miss the ham. Anyways, this ham is 800 grams. Yeah, it's 800 grams and it costs 10.5. And this sausage, Arabiki sausage. I don't know what sausage to get. And this is hamatsu, 4.95 per pocket. Spaghetti number 5, Barilla is around 3.25 per 500 grams. Apparently, I bought 2 different tropical fruit mix. Anyways, yeah, just to compare the price. I took 2 different kinds accidentally. Yes, accidentally. Anyway, so how much is this? We have an idea. Fiesta tropical fruit cocktail. The Del Monte one is 3.30. The Monte, the Fairprice one is how much? 2.50. Oh my god, this girl. Oh, this is Coke Zero in one plastic, and this is like Coke Zero and A&W in another plastic. Feels like I want to scold her, maybe. Anyways, please love Mother Earth. So where were we? Was I talking about the drinks? Anyways, this I bought it for $2.35, and the Coke Zero is the bottle is 2.55 per 1.5 liters, so that's 5.10. Okay, so yes guys, that's it for today's grocery haul. This may be my last few days of buying groceries here in Singapore, and well, I'm gonna compare this to the New Zealand costs. So when I go to New Zealand, watch out for my New Zealand grocery hauls as well. Okay guys, and that's it. I'm gonna start cleaning now in preparation for later's Christmas Eve dinner. So it's just gonna be me, Joyce, and Ate Majo, and maybe Eugene. He said he's gonna come back, I'm not sure. Alright, see you later. Okay, so for a fruit salad, guys, what you're gonna need is your Choice of tropical fruit cocktail, your Nestle cream, and your condensed milk. milk. Alright, so for myself, I use 2 sleek cream and 1 condensed milk. So that's the ratio. Actually, if you have the sorry, my face. Actually, if you have the box versions, the packet version, then it's better. Okay, so let's mix our cream first. So guys, the steps for making this specific fruit salad is easy as 1, 2, 3. Actually, it's a 4-step process. So the first step here, guys, as you can see, I'm just mixing the cream. So it's gonna be smooth like this, guys. Continue mixing until the cream is as soft as butter. Next is to drain the fruit cocktail and pour it inside a container of your choice. And after that, pour in the cream and mix everything together. Mix, mix, mix. And this is your finished product. Place it inside the fridge and serve chilled. Enjoy! And so the next thing that I'll do is to clean the living room for later. And yes, here's me trying to clean the living room. I'm sorry for the mess, you guys. We are moving out and someone's moving in. So there's a lot of boxes over there, as you can see. And yes, our dining table, I have to clear it so that we have a nice space for dinner later. So I'm just wiping the tables here and there, and trying to get it spotless. Trying. After cleaning, I rested for a while, showered, and then it's time to make dinner. So yes, I'm just chopping onions over here, trying not to cry, guys, because onions be making you emotional while preparing your food. And that's Joyce over there taking out our garbage. We have a few more days left being together, so here we are trying to, bond and spend time together. And one fun fact, we have lived in one house together since 2015, and that's almost 7 years of being together. Longer than being with our boyfriends, so imagine. By the way, guys, do you think chopping ingredients is relaxing? Comment down below. And then the next ingredient, to chop sausages. Watch me chop sausages. Wait, that's funny. Didn't mean it like that, but yeah, let's skip that. Maybe that's why I don't have a boyfriend. That's funny again. Okay, bye. But guys, don't be scared after watching me cut sausages. I'm harmless, I promise. Very harmless. And now let's make pasta. So Joyce is done with the shrimp. She's just making the sauce thicker, and now she's trying to poke the pork belly so that it will be crispy later. So this Christmas dinner is just for 3 people. What we are cooking is spaghetti. We have ham, we have shrimp, we have pork belly, and for dessert we have ice cream, we have the fruit salad, and yes, that's Joyce. She's just frying the ham because she don't want to eat it uncooked.
We're almost done here, guys. We're just waiting for Ate Majo to come with the minced beef for the pasta sauce. And after that, that's a wrap. The sauce is ready. Let's prepare for our Christmas dinner.
Hindi mawawala ang picture taking of the food. Nasa taas. Yan po. Guys, dali na picture.
Video to! Pala yan!
Pwede yan! Oh, sige na. 1, 2, 3, smile. Sa atin, Jo. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, smile. Finger heart. Okay.
Merry Christmas!
Yay!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Hello, Philippines!
And that's it for this vlog, guys. Giving you a glimpse of the day before Christmas here in Singapore. And yes, this is Ate Majo saying goodbye. She's going home. And yeah, happy holidays for everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when I have a new upload. Bye and see you soon.